In this video, we will learn how to remove this error where we have a phone number. So there are two types of data that has phone number and it can has error on it. Where the number starts with an is equal to and where the number starts directly with the plus sign. So let's see how can we fix error in both cases. Let's let's press Ctrl H on the keyboard and then type is equal to, type a quotation mark here, click this also search in the formulas, make sure this is this sheet and click replace all. This will remove all the equal signs and replace it with a quotation mark. Now let's check the other sheet. In this sheet we have a plus sign here. As you can see, this does not start with a quotation mark. Let's start it with a quotation mark here. In this way you can resolve this error.